Hey everybody, Judy here from Judy's Handmade Creation, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit the notification so you'll be notified of new videos and content. Make sure you hit the like, and if I get more likes I'll do more tutorials like this, and make sure you subscribe and comment. So today I'm going to be using this yarn knitting spool from the Dollar Tree store. You can get this at the Dollar Tree store, and this is $1.25. It comes with the loom and the little pick here. And I'm going to be making I-cord on it. I'm going to be showing you how to make I-cord on the loom. And that's this loom here from the Dollar Tree store. You will first start off with a slip knot. Make your slip knot like this, and then take this and go through the center, and then just pull on it like this, and that'll make a slip knot. Then you're going to take this here, your slip knot, and put on your peg here. And we're going to be making I-cord. We're going to make an I-cord bracelet. And you can use these these I-cords for your purse. You can make bracelets. And we're just going to take and wrap around 3 pegs like this, like that. And then you're going to go through the back. See how I got it back here? Just go through the back like this and around to the front. And you're going to take and pick. You're going to knit all these off like that. And then you got right there, you're going to go around to the back again and to the front. And this is how you're going to make your I-cord. This is going to go on top, and then you're going to pick them. You're going to knit them all off again like that and push it down. So see how it is back here? You're going to go around from the back to the front, and then you're going to knit them all off again. And you're just going to keep doing the same thing until you get it to the length that you want. And push it down. Okay, you can go around the back to the front, and then you're going to knit it off again. And you can do a lot of different things with these I-cords. And pull on your little tail that you first made. Give it a little tug every now and then. So that's in the back like that. And then you're going to wrap it around the back. And then you're going to go around the front like that. And then you're going to knit them off again. Keep doing that until you get it to the length that you want. You're going to go around the back, and you're going to go around to the front of the pegs like this, and then you're going to knit them all off. And you see how it is back there. Push all these down, all the ones that you already got knitted, and go around to the back, to the front, and knit them off. You see how it's in the back? So you know you got to go around the back when it's like that and to the front. And then your I-cord should start forming. And it should look about like this. See the I-cord? And just keep going the same way. I'm using scrap yarn. And just keep knitting it off until you get it to the size of bracelet you want. And it really doesn't take much time to make one of these. Just keep knitting it off. And just keep pushing it down and pulling this here. From the back to the front. And knit it off. Always knit the middle one first. I'll knit this one off so it can hold the other ones on there. And this can make a long cord. You could probably make a headband with it or anything. Just keep going like that. I'm going to do it real quick. Oh, if it comes off, just put that back on there. That's got to be knitted up. Okay, back to the front. And you're just knitting off. You can add beads to these as you knit if you would like. I figured I'd do some Christmas ones using the Christmas colors. Knit. Let's see that. See how it is right there? You're going to go around the back to the front. Like I said, that's all we're doing. Doing the same thing over and over until we get it to the length that we want. And that looked like a nice little cord. Oh, wait a minute, I gotta get this one. I didn't get that up there. There we go. We're wrapping the yarn from the back all the way around to the front. See, we're wrapping it around from the back to the front. You're just doing the same thing over and over. And just push it down. See the cording? This video is going to be in real time, that way you can see how fast you can make these up. Like I said, you already got it from the back to the front. Wrap it around like that, and then you just knit it off. I like to make it a little longer so I can tie some little knots down at the end here. So just keep doing the same thing over and over, pushing it down, pulling it there, from the back, go around all the needle, all the pegs from the back and all the pegs in the front, and then knit it off. And just pull it there, and you get your cord as long as you want. I might do a little longer. See how we got them in the back like that, and then you're gonna go around the back and then around the front. This should be on the top, this one that you wrap on the front, and then you just knit it off. And then I guess that's going to be long enough, but you make it as long as you like. Okay. And then you're going to take and cut your cord, cut your yarn. You're going to cut your yarn off the yarn ball here. I'll leave it a little bit, about 4 inches, somewhere around there. And then you're going to, this is peg 1, this is 2, and this is 3. You're going to move the loop from peg 2 to 1. So like I said, this is 1, 2, and 3. You're going to take this loop and put on peg 1. Just take it over and put it like that. And then knit it off like that. And then you're going to move the loop on peg 1 to 2. You're going to take this is peg 1, and you're going to take this one and put it on peg 2 like that. And then move the loop on peg 3 to 2. So you're going to take this loop here and put it on peg 2 like that. And then you're going to knit it over. Wait, you're going to knit that over like that. And then you're going to E-wrap the peg 2. So you're going to E-wrap it. You're going to E-wrap it like that. And then you're going to knit over. And then you're going to take this yarn, this end of the yarn here, and then you're going to pull it through, and then you're going to tighten it up. So that way it won't come out like that. It makes a good end. And now you got your bracelet. But I'm going to put some, I might tie a little knot on it. Well, you don't have to do that, but that's what I'm going to do. Let me see. Is it long enough? I didn't leave it long enough. Let me, okay, I'm going to tie the ending. I'm not close to the end as I can get it. But you can do your end the way you like. You don't have to do your end of your bracelet like that, but that's the way I'm going to do mine. I do both ends.
Hi. Come on.
Like that. And then that's how it's going to look. To be like a little bracelet. You can cut these ends off. put them off. And then you can tie this like this. And it does have a lot of stretch in it. This kind of yarn does. Red Heart. This is what Red Heart or and then you got a little bracelet. You can add beads on it. You can just slide it off and on. That way you don't have to tie it every time. And there you go. An I-cord. This is I-cord. This is an I-cord bracelet. And it's made with the Dollar Tree loom. This is $1.25. You get it at the Dollar Tree store. And that's what this is made with, the Dollar Tree loom. And you can make this. It's a bracelet. There you go for another project. Let me take this watch off. And that's a nice little bracelet you can make with it. With your yarn. Your scrap yarn, and it doesn't take long to make it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video out. If I get lots of likes, then I'll show you what else, another kind of bracelet you can make with this. If I don't get a lot of likes, then I won't show it. Thanks for watching. Be best. Bye-bye.